The Sidmar Pro S10 is a half-body hydrotherapy massage table featuring 3 revolving jets that are going to massage and heat your entire spine. These tables are very popular in clinics as a pre-treatment or warm-up, but they feel so great and patients love them so much that many patients purchase them for their home. If you've never laid on one, you have to try it. They are extremely relaxing. A new table will arrive at your curb in a shipping crate. You'll need a knife. Cut the 2 banding straps and remove the top. At this point, you're going to lift the table out of the crate. The table isn't heavy, but it is large, so get someone to help you. It easily fits through doorways, so lift and carry it into your clinic. Setup is pretty easy once you get the table in place. Under the shipping wrap are a few things to note. So under the packaging is install instructions. Now we're going to go through these in detail so you'll know how to set it up, but these are here for reference in case you need it. Also the owner's packet and a patient setup poster to show you how to put patients on the table. This has double stick tape in case you want to mount it above the table on the wall. At the head end of the table, you're going to have the bolt-on foot section, as well as your waterbed mattress cover, and a bag containing a mattress repair kit, your Claire lube, and some assembly bolts. You will need to remove the seat cushion to adjust the thermostat. Oh yeah, there's a funnel under there too. Make sure the heating element is plugged in firmly to the control panel. It's kind of hard to see, but it's located right here. Also, set your degrees to your desired temperature. We recommend 103. And just for reference, in case you ever need your serial number, it's located right here on this badge. It's on file at the manufacturer as well. The foot section attaches with a couple bolts. You'll need to grab the hardware that was bagged with the Claire lube. Feed the bolt from the bottom up through the top, put the washer over it, then the wing nut. Do this on both sides. Once it's all tightened down, put the seat cushion back in place. The last thing to do is to fill the table with water. Unscrew the cap and plug, then insert your funnel. All you need is a single 21-gallon jug of distilled water. You're going to use the whole bottle of Claire lube. Try not to spill it. Pour it all in, then put the cap back on. Before you put the cap back on, you'll have to burp the bladder of any air. Claire Lube is a water conditioner. It is an algaecide, anti-foam, and a jet lubricant. The cool thing is Sidmar's going to put you on auto ship and you're going to get 1 bottle every quarter. If you properly maintain your table, you should never have to drain the water. On the front of the Sidmar Pro S10, you're going to find a 30-minute timer and a variable speed valve. The speed valve is going to control the intensity of the jets. It's going to range from low up to high. Now we recommend setting it on medium. It's the most therapeutic and relaxing for a 10-minute treatment time. To start the treatment, select the time. The correct way to get on the hydrotherapy table is sit down on the seat cushion, rotate your feet towards the ankle rest, align your back with the edge of the seat, and then gently lie back onto the waterbed. The thermostat regulates the temperature automatically whenever you have the table plugged in, 103 being the most common. But if you ever want to change the temperature, simply remove the seat cushion, make your adjustment, and put the seat cushion back on. A Sidmar table ships very quickly, and their sales associates are very friendly and knowledgeable. Feel free to give them a call at 800-330-7260 or visit them online at sidmar.com.